In today's video, I am going to teach you how to configure junk mail options in Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to fine-tune spam filtering in both the classic Outlook desktop app and in Outlook on the web or the new Outlook. So important messages stay visible and junk stays out of your inbox. Let's start with the classic Outlook desktop experience. With Outlook open, go to the Home tab. In the Delete group, click the Junk button, then choose Junk. Email options. This opens the control center for your filtering. First, look at the Protection Level tab. You'll see several choices. No automatic filtering turns off most filtering, but messages from block senders are still moved to junk. Low is a good default. It moves only the most obvious junk. High is more aggressive and catches most spam. But it can occasionally move legitimate messages to junk. So keep an eye on that folder. Safe lists only is the strictest mode and will allow messages only from your safe senders and safe recipients lists, which can be useful in very controlled environments. Next, open the Safe Senders tab. Add any trusted email addresses or entire domains you never want treated as junk. This is great for companies, partners, or newsletters you rely on. Then move to Safe Recipients. This is where you add mailing lists or group addresses you know and trust, making sure those messages aren't filtered out. Finally, check the Blocked Senders tab. Add specific addresses or whole domains that you never want to see in your inbox. Anything from these entries will go straight to the junk folder automatically. Now let's configure Outlook on the web or the new Outlook. Click the Settings gear, then choose Mail and open the Junk Email section. Here, you'll manage block senders and domains, as well as safe senders and domains, just like on desktop. Add trusted senders and domains to the safe list and put unwanted ones on the blocked list. For maximum security, you can enable Don't Trust Email unless it comes from someone in my safe senders and recipients list. This is very strict, so use it only if you are ready to maintain your safe lists carefully. A few quick tips to wrap up. After changing protection levels, check your junk folder for a few days to make sure nothing important is getting caught. If something legitimate lands there, add the sender or domain to safe senders to prevent it from happening again. Review your lists periodically. Businesses and newsletters can change domains over time. That's it for configuring junk mail options in Outlook. Tweak these settings until the clutter goes away and the right messages rise to the top. Thanks for watching.